Global search has long been a really great feature in LionO360, and it's kind of sneaky, hiding up here at the top of the page, and almost gets lost in all of the other great features that you have access to inside the platform. However, this release brings new functionality and an expanded search across all of the modules that we have in LionO360. From here, we've long had access to find things like leads and accounts and opportunities, and even some of our inventory-related module data, things like sales and estimates and invoices. However, today, we have included customer returns and credit memos in this data set. So I've selected a search that I know includes quite a long list of data. And again, we can see all of the familiar data sets that we have access to in the past, but we also have access to RMAs and credit memos with those same familiar functions of being able to navigate directly to the entity in question and also click for a highlighted popover of the data that matches my search. This is a really cool addition to global search, and it just increases your reach of data in LionO360.